I'm risking my life here. This is precious inside information that can help you make money on eBay. Are you sure it's safe to continue?
Of course it is, and I can't wait to share 7 valuable tips to get your eBay listing to the top and increase your sales in 2021. Let's go. This will be a straightforward video and I hope you enjoy it. So tip number 1, good product title. Improving your title with tools like Zeek's Title Builder is a must. Using strong search words and using all 80 characters given to us, and most importantly, always check the strength of the title and know where to improve according to the seasons, holidays, and so on. Wait, do you know how to use the Zeek's Title Builder properly? If you want me to make a video showing you how to use Zeek Title Builder and other tools of this great software, let me know by commenting below. Tip number 2, quality market research. The products you choose for your store is the most important thing in your store. Knowing how to examine a product's quality, sales volume, profitability without ever seeing the product requires a lot of learning and experience from you. So here I go again talking about Zeek Analytics, but sorry, Zeek Analytics makes life easier when it comes to market research. You can click here to see more about how to make good quality product research with Zeek Analytics. It's worth taking a look as there are hundreds and thousands of suppliers to choose from and countless products to sell, which is exactly why you have to choose the best option among all of them. As you can see, Zeek Analytics is an amazing tool. It offers everything you need to build a selling machine on eBay. So take advantage of it today. The link is in the description. Let's move on to our next tip. Tip number 3, traffic listings and strategies. As with any store, sometimes you need to know how to attract the customer to your store. So traffic products is one of the common ways. But what is a traffic product? A traffic product is a product that in most cases will be a product that is very cheap and has a very high sales volume. Such a product will lead to organic traffic and your store, which in many cases will make customers buy more products from you even though they came through another product. So here's a strategy we have taught in the past: controlled loss strategy. This is a strategy that you will do the same as with traffic products, and you will take products that are sold at high volume while you price the product at a minimal loss. The difference is that the strategy you will often use more expensive products to attract more relevant customers. Before we move on to our next tip, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more educational content like this. Tip number 4, item specifics. In one of the latest updates on eBay, they started to put more serious emphasis on item specifics. In the item specifics, you can find the dimension, the color, brand, serial number, and even sometimes more in-depth details about the product itself. Check out this example. The more item specifics you add on the product, the more your listing will be promoted organically. Tip number 5, item description. Product description is an integral part of every product page. On the product page, you will see a good picture of the product, and in many cases, different from the main picture. You see an explanation of the product and its qualities, and sometimes an easy explanation of use. You can also see all of the seller's policies on payment, shipping, returns, and all the options offered to your customers. An add-on that adds to every sales page looks more professional and serious. Tip number 6, store branding. When you sell on platforms like eBay, most product stores sellers look mostly the same. And after years in the field, you can see when you research old great sellers, you will always see that their store looks better and their lists are designed, and in most cases, they will also have a unique template for the whole store. Such design can be made alone or bought at Fiverr. Branding your store is a long-term job that will build your brand and make customers return more and more. Our final tip to get your eBay listing to the top and increase your sales in 2021 is promoted listings. Promoted listings is eBay's way to allow you to promote your products for free. As dropshippers, you often do not use the promoted listings options because of the low profit margin, which is a misrepresentation. I highly recommend using promoted listings constantly, and on all products, a 1.5% campaign will bring you traffic to the store. This will improve your sales volume insanely. If you have products with high profit percentages that you control and want to promote more, it is highly recommended to increase your store sales and reliability. All right, guys, those were the 7 valuable tips to get your eBay listing to the top and increase your sales in 2021. Another bonus tip I have for you is to take advantage of all the tools that help make your dropshipping experience super easy. If you happen to have any questions regarding this topic, please leave them down below. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.